What? What did you think?
I think that he gonna keep snoring till he finish snoring. That's whenever he finish. What are we supposed to do? Somebody. Anybody.
Is that your little brother?
Huh? Huh?
Is that your little brother, Chris?
Yeah. You trying to... I do too. I ain't judging. I think his ADHD kicking in right now.
Boom, boom.
Huh? Huh?
Leave him alone. He's tired. Come on, boom. Leave him alone.
You shouldn't have pointed it out though. You the one said something about his ass snoring. I mind my damn business.
But look at me. But look at me. Look this way. Look. What is it? What? Okay. Okay. All right. He's snoring. Okay. I'll see you in the next episode.
Next.